Quality management and alteration. One can realize quality as fitness for objective and in case to business, engineering, and as well manufacturing quality owns a plausible rationalization as excellence of something. When alteration is imparted into a firm, many obstacles performing against its introduction emerge. ISO 9001 application does not produce an exemption as firms around the universe expertise travels through the application procedure. Each individual being is a complex framework, permanently exchanging materials together with her or his environment and altering in reply to alterations in, for instance, water, temperature, levels of glucose in the bloodstream, or gases in the air. A condition of dynamic steadiness, far from equilibrium, is preserved by the persistent action of fundamentally passive return loops which counteract alteration managed via the living organism itself. Collapse of the dynamic condition amidst the living creature and its surroundings mean dying. The Sarasic technique assists focus power on the region that will manufacture the highest possibility for prosperity. Quality management exercises relate to management plans and strategies that are substantial in assisting firms to develop quality, increase output, and lower cost. Complex theory concentrates on perception, the models of interaction between framework components at various times and levels, rather than dissecting individual components in isolation. Quality management can be viewed like a management philosophy which has improved from a mechanic and narrow scene recognized as statistical quality control (SQC) towards quality assurance and thereafter to a more holistic and extensive one recognized as business excellence and total quality management (TQM). Research assists to see that QMS can fetch considerable advantages for organizations' prosperity and competitiveness, especially when the stimulus for its application are fundamentally interior to alter and develop rather than just exterior react with customer needs, marketing, visibility. Despite the truth that there has become much survey into this region, the results are still discussed. For instance, scientists like Brajoko and Soha have debated that firms that adopt QM exercises will promote a fruitful circumference for innovation, facilitate awareness involvement, and insert favorable organizational alteration. However, ISO renders not only to institute performance standards, but as well to define the procedures via which the goodness management standards may be gotten and via which the efficiency and effectiveness of the quality management framework may be developed. It is brutally realized that ISO 9001 certificate comprises having a capable workforce to perform whole organization alterations. One of the targets of the ISO 9001 2015 alteration is to promote the demands for addressing alterations at framework and operational standards. Anyway, originated holistic complicated approach authorizes us to utilize various system paths, contemplating alternative holistic scenes in conjunction. Maybe we cannot utilize all the different frameworks approach at time, but they can be utilized creatively over time to encourage together overall development in the issue conditions managers face. Therefore, this is the core of originative, holistic, complicated approach.